Welcome to the tutorial on how to quickly check vehicle status. To start, let us look at the events. On our left side here, we have our error and event logs. Press Refresh List to upload the events from our nodes. Here we can see all events active at this moment. We can deselect here if we only want to see a certain node. By selecting a specific event, we can read the description for it. This helps us understanding why it might have occurred or how to fix it. The event log works the same, but this also shows us any previous events. How many times it has happened, time since the last and first occurrence of it. We also have the error log displaying all emergency messages given by this unit. If you want, you can easily save a separate report of the events. Just press Save Logs to File here. This will create a HTML file. I will call this Demo Report. When opened, it will look like this. Here we have all events from all nodes collected. This might be useful if you want to print these on paper or if you need to send it for analyzation. But if it needs to be analyzed, I recommend to create a parameter dump file instead. Then the receiver can do an offline connect to this file and look at everything from within ServiceTool, just as we are here. To learn about this, please watch the video Parameter Dump File and Offline Connection. Another useful feature is the Help view here. To upload values from the unit, press the Read button. Here we get some useful parameters, some information what unit we are dealing with and usage data, working hours, age and such. This is especially useful with power-consuming units because we get the operation log view and the temperature on the power stage and motor. We can see how many hours the unit spent in different temperatures. Here, for example, this power stage has been within 40 and 50 degrees Celsius during 458 hours. The operation log view is viewed as a heat map. Kind of many bars on a two-dimensional field viewed from above. Here, the higher the value is, the deeper red the square gets, or as I call the top-viewed bar. We can see an approximate value of each color here. So, we can see that this vehicle has mostly spent its working hours around here. This darkest spot, I'm guessing, is the unit being mostly idle or doing light work. This represents the unit having speed between 1300 and negative 1300, while current is between 90 and negative 90. To get more precise values, you can just left-click on any square. Here you will see exactly how long the unit spent between these intervals. Right-click will remove the annotations. If we click this Show Operation Data, we get the operation log view, but viewed as two separate bar graphs. The top one shows by speed, so no matter on what current, we see the time spent at what speed. So this big bar here represents in the heat map all these values in this column. So all these are summed together as a single value. This is the same with the bar graph for current. This bar here, between 450 and 630 arms, represent in the heat map this line. So same values but just different ways to present them. and we can switch back to temperature. If you have multiple units, you have to switch page and press read for that node too. But that is it on how to quickly check the vehicle status. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you have any questions, want to purchase our products, or have any feature requests.